How is Prop 200 applied under Arizona law? Attorney Mark Weingart explains. Prop 200 was a referendum that was passed by the voters many years ago, and it has to do with what we call 3 strikes and you're out. For simple possession, meaning not for sale, and certainly not having to do with methamphetamines, regardless of the class of the felony that it is. If you qualify, then on the first strike, if you enter a plea under the provision of Prop 200, you can be sentenced to probation only. If you violate probation, you can go to jail. On a second strike, you can go to the county jail for up to a year. If you get a third strike, you're looking at mandatory prison, unless it is negotiated out by your lawyer. But technically speaking, that is mandatory prison. In Maricopa County, we also have a program called TASK, and that is an acronym, and it basically is a first-time diversion program. So if someone gets a possession, for example, of marijuana charge, and they want to not even take advantage of Prop 200, they can go through the TASK program. The TASK program is expensive, depending upon the class of drugs. It starts anywhere from $1,000 and goes up to over $2,000. There is some education involved in it, but then there's random urinalysis that you have to take on top of that every week, and you have to test clean for a minimum of a year, and if you don't, you wash out of TASK, meaning the charges come back, they're reinstated, and now we get into the Prop 200 type of protocol. For a free consultation regarding your DUI case, contact the Weingart firm in Tempe, Arizona, and you will be offered a highly personalized service backed up by a comprehensive knowledge of Arizona DUI law and procedure.